bank is coming down. Labourites coming down.
Love the reception. Very positive energy.
One show of Labourites. Third term, mama. Third term.
Right over here. I see come catch you.
Andrew Holness has proven himself a young man, a man of integrity, because they can't match him. They realize that every time they throw a dart at him, it bounces off. So they're using them friends in social media. They're using a certain newspaper to malign Andrew Holness. And sometime when the government make good announcement, them put it way down in the corner. Yes. And then them put something on the headline. When you read the headline, you say, my God. But when you read the middle of the story, it don't match the headline. And them are called people corrupt. Corruption have a lot of meaning. And there are many of them in this country who is so corrupt because their ideas about Jamaica is not good. We cannot allow PNP to get a hold of this country ever again. Labourites must start to push back at the PNP. You listen to the so-called General Secretary speaking a talk about them again, you on the eve of our independence. As a political leader, a confrontation. This is what the country gone to. Them want to bully themselves in our power. Jamaica no belongs to PNP. Jamaica belongs to the people of this country. And I am confident as tomorrow is Independence Day, that the Jamaican people will never, ever allow PNP to come back in power. But you here and over have to play your part. And Dave has been a good MP. He has been honest and he has been true. Yes. Him not mislead you know. Him not promise you to raise the dead. Like what PNP are doing now.
So Labour right.
Everything that you ask PNP for, them are going to give. Everything. So if anybody here want to go to Mars tomorrow, just tell the PNP. And then we'll carry everybody go to Mars. That is the kind of party that is seeking to become the government. I ask you to choose wisely. Labourites, choose Dave Brown. Choose the Jamaica Labour Party. Choose Andrew Michael Holness to continue as Prime Minister, to take us deeper, deeper into the land of prosperity, because only the Jamaica Labour Party has the answer. I urge you, as we celebrate the 63rd year of Jamaica's independence, to make this a special independence. You know why it is going to be special? We became independent in 1962. And in 2025, we're going to be a third-term government for the first time under Andrew Holness. Choose Jamaica, third-term government. God bless you. Good night. I did not run you.